In 2025, security is everything. With millions lost to hacks and scams, choosing the right crypto wallet is more than just a decision. It is your first line of defense. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, then I'll try to answer those as soon as possible. And all the resources and links used in this video are going to be in the description below, so make sure you check them out. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for informational and educational purposes.
So starting off, I want to talk a little bit about hot wallets and what's the difference between them and what to use based on you as a trader or a user. So for example, the hot wallets which we have here, for example, MetaMask.io or TrustWallet.com. Of course, all of the links and resources used in this video will be in the description below, so make sure you check them out. And for hot wallets, what they offer, or what they are actually, is that they are wallets connected to the internet. Browser extensions, desktop wallet, exchanges, whatever. The advantages of using hot wallets, it's actually convenient and easy to access from frequent trading or transactions. It is ideal for daily use, for example, sending or receiving tokens, DeFi interactions, or NFTs, and usually they are actually free or at a low cost. The cons, it's actually that they are vulnerable to hacks, phishing or malware, and less secure than cold wallets for large amounts. And we have here as examples the MetaMask.io and the TrustWallet.com. I mean, MetaMask is a pretty famous project. I already have MetaMask. I use MetaMask since years now, and it's actually a pretty convenient option. It is a fast and easy option to actually create a crypto wallet and to receive and send money on the internet. The same thing applies for a Trust Wallet. If you go here to the features, we have here swaps, stakings, NFTs, crypto buying, security, and many other more. You could also use Trust Wallet as a building platform. You could be using the developer docs, which are guides for building powerful Web3 applications, open source, D-apps in front of millions, and of course get assets listed. And of course, creating an account and downloading their app is actually pretty simple, so make sure you do that as soon as possible to just discover what are these projects.
So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Today we talked about the hot wallet. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered. I'll try to answer those as soon as possible. Of course, all of the links will be in the description below, so make sure you check them out. Have a good day. Bye bye.